stress release, voice-only meditation, to letting go. These days, in our busy, fast-moving world, it's more important than ever to have a healthy and regulated nervous system, one that supports your calm, clarity, and conscious presence. It's absolutely wonderful that you chose to take this time for yourself, to go inward and relax, instead of seeking external solutions to avoid the silence. This short, voice-only guided relaxation and meditation is designed to support your body and mind. Whether you are here to release stress, calm your nervous system, find a moment of inner peace, or enjoy a meditation without music. Let's slow down together and reconnect with the quiet space within you, where nothing needs to be fixed or changed. Settle into a comfortable position and allow your body to be supported. Take a couple of soft, natural breaths. Inhale and slowly exhale. Briefly notice your body, any heaviness, warmth, just enough to arrive fully. And now bring your attention to areas where tension may be hiding. Perhaps your shoulders, your neck, or your stomach. Simply notice. You don't have to fix anything. Imagine these areas softening, releasing with each exhale. Let tension flow out. And with each inhale, welcome calm, spaciousness, and lightness. Visualize your energy spreading through your body, flowing freely, smooth and gentle. If any old stress or tightness arises, just observe and let it drift away. Feel the freedom of letting go. Your body feels lighter, calmer, more at ease. And your mind softens. Your heart opens. And you are safe, supported, and grounded in this moment. This was a voice-only relaxation. If you'd like to experience the effect of a personalized relaxation audio created specifically for your own emotional or life challenges, feel free to book a short free call with me through my website. A personalized relaxation can become a true healing support when listened to regularly. If you feel drawn to experience deeper relaxation journeys with music and extended guidance. You will also find my standard relaxation packages on my website. The link is in the description. Thank you for allowing yourself this moment of rest. Take care of yourself, and I look forward to sharing the next moment of calm with you.